Hey guys, it's Ashley with 3R Sales and Service. Today we're taking a look at our 8-foot Yeti skid package. What this is a 3,500 PSI, 8 gallon a minute pressure washer with a gas engine soft wash system. This particular customer, this is skid number 2 of the series that he's getting. So we'll go over this system if you didn't see it in a previous video and let you know what all the features are. Starting on this side, we've got 3 of our Titan hose reels. These are all 12-volt rewind hose reels. So you press this button and it winds up your hose for you. We've got 100 feet of garden hose, 300 feet of the 1/2-inch soft wash hose, and then we've got, I believe, 200 feet of the gray pressure washer hose on there, and that's the 3/8 pressure washer hose. And then we installed the locking fittings on the front of all of the reels, so you don't have to worry about your hoses coming loose while you're driving down the road. For the pressure washer side of things, we've got our nozzles quick connected right over by the hose reel, so it's nice and easy to access. And then we've got a gauge on the soft wash reel, so you know exactly what kind of pressure you're using with your soft wash system, and it's easily adjustable over on the soft wash system itself. Moving around to this side, we'll start up top. We've got the surface cleaner rack up here. This is housing a 24-inch surface cleaner. It has a locking mechanism off to the side, so you can keep everything nice and secure. And it just has a hinged door that comes open, and you slide it out whenever you're ready to use it. We have the Honda GX690 with the T-Series general pump. It's 3,500 PSI, 8 gallon per minute. This is a cold water pressure washer system. We've got the exhaust vented so that it's not pointing at any of your equipment, it's just coming out the back, keeping the rest of your equipment cool and protected. The pressure washer itself has a few features on there. So we've got a cool bypass system that allows the water to circulate from your pump to your tank whenever you are off the trigger and it's in bypass mode. We've got a bleeder valve that allows you to prime your pump system so that you can get all of the air out of the water line. And that prime system kind of works a couple different ways. It gets the air out of the line from the tank, but we can also force water in through the inlet side just to make sure everything is nice and easy to use. We have drain hoses on both the engine and the pump, making it easy to service and do your oil changes. Down below, we've got the toolbox assembly. This is an option that can be added. Just locks right down here, you open it up, drops down, and you've got easy access for any extra equipment. The soft wash system is a GX 160 Honda engine with electric start. We've got the P40 Comet pump for the diaphragm pump on there. It is a gear-driven system. It does have the engine oil drain on here as well, just to make it, again, a little bit easier for maintenance. What's attached to this soft wash system is our proportioner, or our metering valves down here. So we can meter the water, the surfactant, and the bleach with this system. Each line has check valves in it so that you're not backflowing into any of your tanks. On the back side of this metering system is a remote rinse system. You can't see it from this angle, but what it does is it remotely rinses your bleach line. So it'll turn off your surfactant, turn off your bleach, and allow you to just do water through your soft wash system for rinsing. And you just use the remote that's provided with that system. If you're near your skid, this light will flash whenever you're in rinse mode, and then turn off whenever you are in your regular chemical application mode. The battery up here is powered by the gas engine on the pressure washer. We got another battery over here that is powered from the soft wash system and for the electric start for that. We use 2 separate batteries because we don't want to interfere with either engine's charging system, so it's just a much safer way to power your equipment. So we'll go ahead and talk about all of the tanks that we have back here. We've got our 7-gallon surfactant tank. This draws both into the soft wash system and to the pressure washer. We have our SH tank, which goes through, again, the soft wash system and the pressure washer. And then we have a winterizing tank. If you're in an area where you do not need a winterizing tank, we can either remove this or we can use it as an additional soap tank if you have degreasers or whatnot, or anything different from bleach that you want to use. We have a 200-gallon water tank So the water supply gets fed from your garden hose. It gets filtered before it goes into your tank, and then it also, you can go ahead. Sorry. We can't shut down everything while we're doing our videos. So again, with the water tank, the inlet hose, it actually feeds through a filter. It gets filtered before it goes into your tank. And then there are additional filters down here that filter it again before it goes to your pressure washer pump or to your soft wash system. So we do as much as we can to make sure that you don't get any debris in those systems or build up inside your tank. The other hoses you'll see up here is the bypass hose, and then we have another one here. This is kind of just a way to force water into your systems, that way we can get air out of the lines and all of that stuff too. So we do full training whenever you get a system like this, whether it is a video training or if you're able to come here and do the hands-on training, which we highly recommend. We go well in depth with all of that so that you're super comfortable using your system before you leave. Last tank we have here is an 11-gallon fuel tank, which supplies fuel to your pressure washer system. It's got a gauge on it so you can see where your fill level is, and then the aluminum cap, nice and heavy duty, and easy to use. And then of course it's right here on the driver's side so that you can fill it up at the pump nice and easily. The skid itself is made out of a very heavy duty aluminum. I don't know the exact gauge off the top of my head. I'm sure it will be listed on our website. But if you have any questions on the system, feel free to reach out to us, or you can see this listing on our website at 3rpressurewashers.com. Thanks.